What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Doyle back with another video. Today's video, I'm gonna do an end of the week recap. I just do these randomly. I don't do these every single week, but today I'm gonna bring y'all end of the week recap. So this week was NFP week. I traded Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Thursday ended up being a losing day. Terrible day. I'm not gonna lie. Like, it was very rough. Like, setups was not holding. Fake outs was happening. So my last video, when I was saying that I had a good day Monday and Tuesday, and then I was waiting to see how Thursday was gonna be, it ended up being bad. So I'm just gonna break down the trades that was successful. Hopefully y'all get some value out of this video, and we're just gonna wrap it up, man. But this week was decent. Like, usually NFP week usually be like terrible for me, but like I said, Monday, Tuesday was decent, but Thursday wasn't giving too much. I'm not gonna lie, it wasn't giving anything at all. So let's just break down these two trades. My Monday's trade was NAS100. My Tuesday's trade was GU. So let's just get on the charts so I can break these two setups down. Okay, so let's do the NAS trade first. Okay, so this is literally what I did. I went to the 1 hour and I saw that we was on a downtrend. Again, I don't use trend lines, but we can clearly see that they're breaking structure to the downside. They keep breaking lows. They keep breaking lows. So this is an overall downtrend at this very point. Now, I took a buy on NAS100. I'm going to tell you why. So if I'm taking a 5-minute demand setup on the lower time frame, but we already made a low, it's time for it to pull back because we are already on a downtrend. So if I see any type of demands in this area, that is good because we are just on a pullback on a downtrend, if that makes sense. So since we was in this area and we already made a low, it's ready to come back up to that area to drop again. So I'm taking buys up in this area, but I'm not going to hold though. That's the thing. I'm just not going to hold because I understand that the higher time frame is on a downtrend. Now let's go to the 5-minute where the actual setup occurred. Got this on. Oh crap, my fault, y'all, my fault. Okay, so the setup that I took was literally right here. It was a 5-minute demand setup, and I like this setup because we was breaking the 200 EMA. Okay, we had a massive drop from yesterday, but this drop was from the breakout structure on that 1 hour going for a downtrend. So this was just the pullback going back up to follow that trend. So as soon as I saw that they created a demand, I hopped in literally right here. Have my stop loss literally right here, and we just scalped that up. Now this was a good day to leave a runner. I didn't leave a runner at all, but this was just like a great trade. And I'm looking left to see where is the gaps that needs to get filled. So we had like areas over here that needed to get filled. I'm gonna take these EMAs off. Like areas right here that needed to get filled. So this was like good areas to leave a runner, and I believe it went all the way up there. I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it went all the way up there. But I closed before the New York Stock Exchange opened anyway, so the runner like had to get ended around this time, around like 9:15, 9:20. That's when I just closed all my positions because I don't really like taking trades at the New York Stock Exchange open, even though sometimes setups will hold. Like, it's still like I feel like a gamble sometimes. So like I recommend people that do trade the open, like, just to lower your risk, because at the end of the day we really don't know if it's going to go in our favor or not. But this was Monday's trade. Like, this was just a clean trade. Like, really was just very simple. I think it went for at least, let me see, before it reversed at the open, it went for at least, I think, a 1 to 2, or I could be wrong. Okay, yeah, it went up for at least a 1 to 3. Then the open came and it just came back for those runners. Now let's go to GU. So GU, this had higher time frame confluence. We was on an uptrend. I wasn't looking for any sales, and we was bouncing off the 200. So let's go to the 1 hour. And if I'm looking at the 1 hour, what do we have? We have structure being broken to the upside. Now, these are the setups that I like because we're following structure on the higher time frame, and I'm taking a 5-minute setup going with the higher time frame, which is the 1 hour. The 1 hour and the 5-minute, in my opinion, go hand in hand. So like, that's why I mainly look at the 1 hour when I'm trying to like predict the trend as far as my 5-minute setup. So We had a demand right here. We had a demand right here before I woke up. And remember, I wake up around like 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So as soon as I saw that we was at a demand on the 1 hour on GU, I'm like, okay, like I should be looking for some type of buys. I wasn't looking for no sales at all because we are on an uptrend on the 1 hour. So this is literally what I did. So I didn't have this box drawn up because I already knew that we was at a 1 hour. So what I was doing was waiting for some type of demand to occur. So right here, in the replay mode. So again, I was just waiting for it to show me some type of demand to go in the uptrend because the 1 hour was on the uptrend. So right here, we had a very small break of structure. Take these EMAs off. We had like a small break of structure. If you can't see structure, put the line chart on, okay? It broke that high. I had this zone marked up, and soon as it was gonna come back, I'm ready to buy once it break the previous candle. So we fast forward, boom, it came back into it, and then it broke up. That was my trigger to get in, literally right there. Had my stop loss underneath that wick, and the rest was history after that. I'm not gonna lie, like it just kept going. It literally just kept going. The rest was history. And all I was doing is just scalping. Again, I was just scalping, so I didn't hold this entire move. But just understand, like, this was just, it was clockwork because we was already on the uptrend on the 1 hour. So I'm just going with the trend anyway. I saw my setup, took the candle break, scalped it. That was really it. So those was really just the only 2 trades that I took that was winners. Thursday was just straight up like just losses and fake outs. Like it was ridiculous. And like I said before, usually NFP week be like rough for me. I don't know why, because I had one of my worst weeks trading NFP, and I don't want to experience that again. So I'll be very careful on how I trade NFP week. So that's all I got, man. I hope I got some value out of this video. This is just me doing another end of the week recap. I didn't trade that much, so yeah, I only traded Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday, and that was about it. So good luck next week. Monday is a holiday, so I'm probably not trading Monday, but we're still about to just be taking more setups, man. We just gotta just keep growing, keep getting better. You know what I'm saying? But that's all I got. Peace and love. I'm out.